Good afternoon, everyone, to the organizers of the Career Guidance Week, to all grade 9 and 12 students of DWCSJ. This afternoon, I am very happy and this is an opportunity for me to share with you some insights regarding on what particular career are you going to take. For us and for you, it is very important that you have some idea and some information so that you can make a very good decision regarding your choice of career. Our theme for this week or this career orientation program is leveraging technology and soft skills for the 21st century workforce. I am Mrs. Clavelita Sierra Neta, CPA, MBA, and currently the chairperson of the BSA Department of the Divine Word College of San Jose. So today's theme calls for not only the improvement of our technology skills and soft skills just for the sake of improvement, but also to give us competitive advantage in contrast with all the other workforce. For the accounting profession, for the basic definition of accounting or accountancy, it says that accountancy or accounting is the measurement, processing, and communication of financial and non-financial information about economic entities such as businesses and corporations. Accountants gather business information, summarizes it, and most importantly, communicates it. Management uses the information provided by the accounting professional to make business decisions. It is not only in the accountancy profession that the processing of information is vital. All professions in all sorts of industry demands the fast gathering and communication of information. And that is why we are constantly introduced to developments in technology. We have no other choice but to adjust our skills to be in tune with all these technological advancements. Technology skill is our ability to interact with and utilize technology for the satisfaction of its purpose. These are some noteworthy technology skills. 1. Digital marketing. This is a prevalent thing nowadays. When you open your social media accounts, you could see a lot of online sellers marketing their products. On a large scale, have you seen any advertisements for Shopee? The advertisement should be noticeable to the viewers and actually be effective in enticing consumers to buy from them. It takes skill to create a digital ad that would actually attract consumers. Another technology skill is the digital design and data visualization. So how good are you in making presentations for your project? Does it clearly convey your message and at the same time provide visually pleasant graphics? Surely you are all familiar with the application Photoshop. This is just one of the software that could be used to create or manipulate visuals. This particular skill is handy not only with editing your photos to hide all your pimples, but once you become part of the workforce, this skill would add value to the quality of your reports. Social media. Social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter carries vast potential in providing different opportunities to their users through social connections. Even large businesses are aware of this potential and takes advantage of it. For marketing maximization, businesses actually create positions for persons with the sole purpose of managing the social media and other multi-accounts of the company. Their primary job is to make the company's social media presence large and loud. Data science and data analytics. We are now living in the information age. The pace on how we could process and convert data to information is crucial for decision making. Among the mentioned technology skills, this is the most important when it comes to the accounting profession. So these are just some of the technology skills that could be possessed by an individual. There is no limit in how much skills you could have. Today, technology is our leverage or advantage in any field of profession, but it should not diminish our value as a person. In the workforce environment, our ability to cope with various relationships with our employers, co-workers, and customers will determine our length of service in one particular company. We call these abilities as soft skills, which are far more important than our hard skills. So, are you a person to person? Can you handle conflicts with ease? Are you a good team player? Can you properly manage your time? Soft skills relate to your attitudes and your intuitions. Soft skills are less about your qualifications and more about your personality. Soft skills draw the difference between a qualified and an ideal workforce. So, some of the relevant soft skills are communication. Communication is one of the most important soft skills. Able communicators can adjust their tone and style according to their audience, comprehend and act efficiently on instructions, and explain complex issues to colleagues and clients alike. Equally as important are your verbal and non-verbal skills. Verbal skills are key to fostering relationships that are collaborative and respectful and ultimately productive. This also applies to your written communication. Self-motivation. Possessing this skill not only demonstrates reliability and commitment, but it also shows that you can fit efficiently into an organizational structure without the need for constant supervision. Leadership. Those with strong leadership skills will have the ability to inspire others and lead teams to success. This is why it is a particularly sought after skill. Responsibility. Taking responsibility means taking ownership of not only your goals, but the wider company goals. This will mean taking the initiative to make improvements, accepting responsibility for any failures, and really caring about working your way to success. Good work, good team players are perceptive as well as receptive to the needs and responsibilities of others. So we call it teamwork. Problem solving. This skill does not just require analytical, creative, and critical skills, but a particular mindset. Those who can approach a problem with a cool and level head will often reach a solution more efficiently than those who cannot. Decisiveness. This is characterized by the ability to make quick and effective decisions. It does not mean recklessness or impulsiveness. Ability to work under pressure and time management. So many jobs come with demanding deadlines and sometimes high stakes. Recruiters prize candidates who show a decisive attitude, an unfaltering ability to think clearly, and a capability to compartmentalize and set stress aside. Time management is closely related to the ability to work under pressure, as well as within tight deadlines. Employees who manage their time well can efficiently prioritize tasks and organize their diaries while adopting an attitude which allows them to take on new tasks and deadlines. Negotiation and conflict resolution. To be an adept negotiator is to know how to be persuasive and exert influence, while sensitively seeking a solution which will benefit all parties. Similarly, conflict resolution depends on strong interpersonal skills and the ability to establish a rapport with colleagues and clients alike. So, have the skills necessary to be a valuable member of your workforce and develop it so that you could use it as a leverage not only for yourself but for the organization that would belong to. Technology skills are not sufficient on its own. All of you should possess soft skills. So let us all be a competitive workforce unit with a heart. Thank you very much and again, magandang hapon.